Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact NordVPN Support. So of course you want to open our NordVPN app. Here we're on our dashboard and we're going to go to the bottom right corner where we have profile and we will scroll to the bottom. Here at the bottom of our profile we can see settings and other. Here under other you can see help center. When you tap on help center you have the option to contact us. So we can tap on this, contact us, and you have about 4 options. Amongst these options is a way to contact NordVPN Support. You can contact them by giving a feedback, reporting a problem, or suggesting a feature. If you'd like to report a problem, you can simply tap on Report a Problem, and you can select any of these options. If these options are not part of what you're facing, you can go ahead and select Other Technical Issue. You could describe the issue, state if you received an error message, and if you did, you can state what the error message says. After that's done, you can click on Continue and proceed to initiate a contact with support. So these are the options to have if you'd like to contact NordVPN Support. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like.